We'll guide you through how to get back a missing display device or driver in Device Manager. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying, so we've got some different things you can try. To get started, open the Device Manager, so press search at the bottom and you can type it in. You can go and find display adapters. So first of all, you can come to the top here and you can go and press the scan for hardware changes option or press action, and then you can do it there. We'll press it, wait for it to complete, go and see if it then goes and pops up. If you're finding the drivers are missing, then what you can do is go and find the option, add drivers. Then you can go and press next and it'll go and do a search and it'll go and install any there as well. Now, if you'll find that the actual device is missing, you want to press action at the top and you can press add legacy hardware. Then you can go and press next. We can do the advanced option like so, find display adapters and press next. If you have the option for Intel and manufacturer, you want to go and click on it and then you have the option. As I know, a lot of people use the built-in graphics. If that still doesn't solve it, you want to go to the bottom, press the Windows Start button and the power button, and we can restart it. And hopefully that solves it.